Hello, welcome to our next part of the learning session 6 of our AutoCAD. We are now on the part 2 of dimensions and annotations. Okay, so let's proceed to our presentation. Okay, so we are now on the adding leaders. Okay, so a leader is a thin solid line terminating with an arrowhead at one end and a dimension, note, or symbol at the other end. Okay, so this function is used to identify dimensions and other things in a plan or a drawing. Okay, so this is very good to learn so that when we are drawing our project, so it is easy for us to put let us say dimensions on that drawing. Okay, so in the following example, you will learn to create a leader style and then create a leader. Okay, so this is example number one. Okay, for this one, let us go to our CAD application so that we can do this one in actual. Okay, so for this one, we need to draw a square of 24 mm in length. Okay, so let us draw that one. Let's create a line. Then 24, then 24, 24, 24. Okay. Then we have to create a circle of 10.11 mm in diameter at center of the square. Okay, center diameter. So 10.11. Okay, so let's put this one at the center of the square. So for to find the center, you can put a reference line in the square, then move the circle uh, on the center of the line. Okay, so that one. Okay, then our next procedure is we have to click home. Click home, draw arc, center, start angle on the ribbon, then select the center point of the circle. Okay, draw circle, then sorry, arc, then center, start, angle. Okay, so this one. Then we have to select the center. Okay, then move the pointer horizontally toward right. Okay, so toward right. So this one. Then type 6 as the radius and press enter. 6, enter. Then type. So, okay, so, okay, sorry. So let's do that again. Okay, so find the center. Then 6. Okay, then we have to type 270 as the angle. Okay, so that one. Then press enter. 270. Okay. On the home tab of the ribbon, expand the annotation. So annotation, then let's go to multi-leader style icon. Okay. So this is the sorry. So this one is the multi-leader style. Then let's so this is the dialog box. Then in the multi-leader element, click the new button. So let's click the new. Then create a new multi-leader style dialog box. Okay, so let's create a new one. Then in the create new multi-leader style dialog, enter whole call out. So let's enter whole call out. Okay, and standard. Okay, so good. So let's continue. Okay, so it's already in use because I already made one. So let's name it with that. Okay, say so we already click the continue. Then this modify multi-leader style appear. Then let's go to leader format tab. So this one leader format. Then set the arrowhead size to 2.5. Okay, so this one arrowhead. Then this is the size. So 2.5. Then also notice the other options in this tab. They are used to set the appearance of the multi-leader lines. Okay, so this one and the arrowhead. Okay, so click the leader structure tab. So this one. Then set the landing distance to 5. So this is the landing distance. So it's 5. Okay. Then click the content. So content tab. Then click set the text height to 2.5. So this one. Okay. The other options in this tab are used to define the appearance of the text or block that will be attached at the end of the reader line. Okay, so this is the items. Okay, then click OK on the modify multi-leader style dialog. Okay, then set current, then click close. Okay, then click annotate, then leaders, then multi-leader on the ribbon. Okay, okay, so this one. Then click the down arrow next to the polar tracking. So this one is the polar tracking. Then we'll set this one to 45. So this one. Then select the point, the first quadrant of the arc. First quadrant. So this one. Okay, so we need to order this. Okay. Move the pointer in the top right direction. Okay. And click the create leader. Click. Okay. Next is we have to type here this one M12. So M12 by 1.75, that's 6860 text editor. Okay, so this one. Next is we will insert the dip symbol before 16. Okay, so position the pointer toward before 16. So let's go back in here. So this in. Then let's go to symbol. Okay, so let's find the symbol. Okay, so this one. So others. Okay, so deep symbol. So I can. Okay, so deep symbol. Let's find that one. GDT, the character map dialog. Select GDT. So GDT. So this one. Then let's find the. Okay, so this one. So this symbol. Select. Select. Okay. Then select. Sorry. Then select. Then copy. Close the. Right click and paste. So wait. So let's do that again. Symbol enter. This one. Select copy. Oops. Okay, so there's that. Okay. So there's something wrong in here. Okay, so there's something wrong. Okay. Okay, so the problem is the all caps. Okay, so I get it now. Okay, so this is 16. Okay, so okay, okay. So this one M12 by 1.75, the 6 eighths, then the deep symbol, then 16. Okay, so got it right. Okay, so let's check the time. Okay, so this is how to use the leader function in AutoCAD. Okay, so as you can see, uh, pointing an arrow and identifying the object is easy by this command. Okay, so let us save this one first to save us. This is adding leaders. So okay, adding leaders. So save. Okay, we're done on the adding leaders. Okay, so let's check the next one. Okay, so let's check the time. So in minutes. So Okay, so this one is I think long, so we will I will put this one on the part 3. Okay, so of this learning session. Okay, so we are going to part 3 because this topic, the adding dimensional tolerances, is also long. So then we have an example and we need to draw. So this will be on part 3. Okay, so okay. So as I've said, so this will be on part 3. So I think we'll be seeing guys on the next part of this learning session. Okay, so thank you for watching the video and I hope you learned something from this one, the adding leaders. Okay, so thank you.